हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ ऋतिक। मैं BSMU सेकेंड ईयर का स्टूडेंट हूँ मिन्स्क यूरोप बेलारूसियन स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी। अभी अभी मेरा सेकेंड ईयर कंप्लीट हुआ है और हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड है। आज हम घर जा रहे हैं क्योंकि थैंक्स टू रामा सर मिले में दैट उन्होंने हमारे लिए ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया चार्टर्ड प्लेन एंड इवन एयरपोर्ट जाने के लिए हमारे लिए बस आ चुकी है। बस भी यहाँ पे है, सो हम लोग बहुत ही खुश हैं। हमारा एग्ज़ाम भी ख़त्म हो चुका है। वी आर वेरी हैप्पी एंड वी आर रेडी टू गो होम। सो दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।
Hi everyone, my name is Ayushman Singh Shekhawat and I am a student of Belarusian State Medical University, Minsk, Belarus, and I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur city from India. And today is the day when we all are going back to our home country, and I just want to say thanks to all my seniors, guardian Mr. Rama sir here, embassy and university also. I want to tell you guys that the university in which I am studying is a very nice university, and the hostel facilities are also best here. And as we all know that during this pandemic situation of COVID-19, the all world are facing some issues, some problems, but here we all feel safe. And before going to our home country, we all have done with our COVID test, and some of our friends are staying in the hostels as per the pandemic situations in India of COVID-19. So all have done their COVID test and no one was positive there. So they are enjoying their days in Minsk, and we are going back to our home country feeling very safe and nice. At last, I want to thanks all to my seniors, all to my staffs, university staff, Indian Embassy in Minsk, and all the ones who helped me in my bad times. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Anushka Mehrotra. I study in Belarusian State Medical University in Minsk, which is situated in Belarus. Right now I'm at the airport. I'm going India but here everything is very nice. For the summer vacations I'm going. Currently I'm in third year. I've completed my second year, and here situation is normal. Rama sir has booked a chartered plane for us, so we are going with that Belavia flight. We were safe here, but due to some family issues I have to go to India, but here it is comparatively very safe from India. The cases are also less and the recovery rate is also good. In our hostel also, we don't have any patients which are affected from coronavirus. The situation is under control, and we have all the facilities in the hostel only, like food and everything, so there's no problem. It's a very good. I would like to thank Rama sir and Milimir for giving me this opportunity and for letting me here to study. Thank you.
Hello, this is Tejas Saini. I'm a student of Belarusian State Medical University, currently studying in third course. I just reached third course, and I just wanted to tell you that the way university has handled our situation in this coronavirus pandemic is absolutely excellent, and there was no sort of any problem in arranging the online classes. The university arranged online classes for us, and we had no difficulty in pursuing our education through the online classes. And now finally we are going home, and I feel very much excited to go home, and hope that everyone stays safe in this coronavirus. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Satvik Bharadwaj and I study in Belarusian State Medical University. It's really good for studying, and in the recent coronavirus pandemic, Belarus and Minsk is very safe. There is no real threat of it, and we were very safe during the quarantine. We did a self-quarantine, so we were locked in our hostel and no one from the outside was allowed to come in. We had the food facility from the Namaste Cafe, so it was really good. And by God's grace, no one from our hostel was infected and everything went out really good. And now we're going home by a chartered flight for the summer vacations. Hopefully we'll reach there safe and we'll come back soon to start our studies. And in the last, I'd like to thank Rama sir, Milimir and the faculty of Belarusian State Medical University for taking good care of us and providing us with all the necessities we needed during this pandemic. It was really a great help. Thank you.
До свидания.